What was? Oh yeah, it was really loud, dude.
Oh, it's bad. So what is girls want to do?
Oh, what the?
What?
Oh, I just got in a wreck, dude.
Are you dead ass?
Yeah, I did. I got clipped. I'll call you back, dude. I gotta call my mom. I'm not hurt, but I'm clipped.
Oh, all right. Bye.
Yeah, all right, bye.
My ass would have been ready. I think we could have made it. Wow. You gotta save that.
Woo!
I think he hit that guardrail.
I think so too.
This hit him? Who's the guy to an accident?
Parliament and watch those guys are killing over here. They're murdering.
I believe they do have an open.
Yeah, dude, those guys are all funny.
God, if you saw me on stage yesterday, I could be one of those fucking.
If it were up to Adam Schiff, you wouldn't know about Hillary Clinton's email, you wouldn't know about the server, you wouldn't know who paid for the dossier, so I do find it ironic that he has his own memo now, because if it were up to him, we wouldn't know any of it.
Welcome back to the Buck Sexton Show, everybody. There's Trey Gowdy laying it down on release the memo, which I'm hoping will happen within a matter of days.
So am I.
Jesus!
Whoa!
Holy.
Video protected.
But their packs are so heavy that they can't really make any progress. They end up being riddled with Turkish bullets. It's a terrible time to see. 25 in my boat. To hear our poor chums moaning to see the poor boys dead in the water.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoa!
What is... Don't, Doug! What are we doing? Are you kidding me? What are you doing?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Daddy, I told you. Oh my god.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.